What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs, and today I am here with one of my friends at his shop. Well, right now he's actually not here. He went out to go get some parts, but I'm helping him out on a car. Today we are going to be working on a 2001 Toyota Solara. Right now I am actually doing a timing belt on it, so let me show you how far I got. Turn on this light. So I already got all the covers off and everything. The belt's here. We're gonna put on the belt. I started at 11 a.m. right now. It's like 1. It's taking a little time, partly because we couldn't get the crank pulley off. It was seized on and I had to get the right stuff to get it off. And here we have all the new parts here. We're just doing a little tune-up on it. So timing belt, water pump, air filter, spark plugs, you name it, we got it. Complete tune-up gonna be done up. So this is his shop. It's a pretty cool place. He actually has his little Audi project on the lift. What he does with that, he actually does racing, so that's pretty cool. Other than that, the shop's a little bit messy, but what can you expect? It's a shop, and that's how things go. He has his little bikes here, which is pretty cool. He likes motocross racing and stuff like that. Actually, I've known him since I was 16. And I remember one time he came to school, broke both his arms and collarbones because he fell off his track bike, which sucked. But other than that, man, it's a pretty cool little shop. Like, he has every little things here and there, little motor there. It's a pretty cool shop. He's a really good dude. He does work in a very, I almost tripped. He is very precise with the work that he does. He likes to take his time. He doesn't rush. He's very clean when what he does. I mean, the shop's not clean, but he is very clean in everything that he does when it comes to the shop. So anyway, I am going to check something on All Data real quick. And for those of you who don't know what All Data is, it is actually a spot that you can go on, like a little app thing on the computer, and it actually helps you figure out what to take off, what to remove on cars, help you diagnose stuff, and just general diagnostics on a vehicle. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Oh man. Right now I am working on removing the tensioner pulley from the timing components, and I just removed the idler, and then after that I'm going to work on removing this water pump, because if you're going to do a timing belt, you might as well do the water pump at the same time. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick episode that I did with my friend Camille at his shop. It was awesome seeing him again. I haven't seen him in a long time since I moved to Florida. It was pretty cool working on that car with him. It was a little bit hectic. We did run into a problem when we were working on the fuel filter on the other side. That took up most of our time, and unfortunately, when you're working on older vehicles, stuff like that does happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed that really quick clip. I know it wasn't much, but making videos for y'all every day isn't an easy task to do. Hopefully, things will get better when I settle back down in Florida. I'll find a project car and have something to work on for you guys. With that being said, other than that, I'll see you all for the next one. Peace.